Hey doc, I'm just wondering, what are some good ways you should be sitting if you're suffering with sciatica?
Hey, that's a great question. I get asked it a lot by patients. And in reality, it depends on how severe your sciatica is, right? First off, if it's massively severe and a big problem, you've got to get some advanced help. And a corrective chiropractor is the right person to wind up reaching out to. If you don't know one or have one, go ahead and write down below. Also, if it's severe, it's any way that you can. So there's not a right or wrong way if you're in severe pain, but we've got to wind up finding the cause of it so that you can get out of it and get back to life and stay in life for the rest of your life. The next step, best thing, would wind up being a firm chair. I like a hardwood type of chair so that you can sit on, not a soft or fluffy couch or a chair that you recline back in, something that's firm and structured. Now, once you're in the chair, what are the things you should be looking for? First thing I like to do is start from the bottom and work our way up. So we're gonna look for something you can put your feet on the floor with, a 90-degree bend in your knees and a 90-degree bend in your hips, okay? We want to have a cushion for our lower back, but we want the cushion to go here, not here, okay? The key to this is that it doesn't wind up pushing your bottom side forward so that you wind up slouching your back and your head goes forward. We want the lower lumbar support to wind up being here so you can scoot your bottom side back, your back goes up against it and it curves your back and your head goes right above your shoulders. You should also have some support on your legs too. Oh, I happen to be looking at a lower back image, so let me show you what I mean with that lower back support. So most of the time when you leave your support on your chair, it'll go all the way down to the bottom. Then when you sit on it, you push this bottom part forward. As you push that bottom part forward, the upper parts move back, flatten out your lumbar spine to put a lot of stress and strain on the discs here in the front. No good. What we want to see happen is we want to see you lift up that lumbar support so that it goes into the arch of the lower back so that your bottom side can shift back into the pillow. You get this great arch and then your head goes above your shoulders so that there's a decent amount of weight on the discs, but most of it is on the bony structures of the back of your spine. If you know someone who's been suffering with sciatica and wondering how to sit, go ahead and pass this along to them. If you've been having problems with it, let me know how this helps and other questions that you have down below in the comments so I can help you the most. Once again, if this is bothering you, need help. The right place to go is a corrective chiropractor, and we'll be happy to help you with that. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin. Thank you for letting me be a part of your health.